Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make an attendance list in Word. So how to make an attendance list in Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, point the cursor to the plus sign on the top left of the table. Then double-click. Go to the Layout menu. Then in Height, you can adjust the spacing or size of the rows in the table. Then in the Signature, combine two tables to position the text signature. Block two tables. Then go to the Layout menu. Tap Merge Cell to combine two columns or rows. Here it has been combined and the text signature is in the middle. Then, to set the signature location, block rows 1 and 2 in the first column in the signature. Then tap Layout. And tap Merge Cells to combine. Do it on the next row to combine the rows for the signature location that we will use later. Next, enter the numbers in the table as the signature number that matches the name number. Block all the numbers that have been made earlier. Then tap Align Left Center on the Layout menu. The second one is to make the signature number to be neater like this. The method is to block all the tables in the signature. Enter the Layout menu. Then tap Split Cells to recombine the previous rows. In columns, enter 2. And in rows, enter 10. Then tap OK. Here it's back to the way it was before. Next, to remove the center line in the signature place, block all the tables in the signature. Right-click and tap Border. Select Borders and Shading. And select Custom at the bottom left. Tap this icon to remove the center line. Tap OK. And here the center line is gone. And enter the number in the table as the signature number according to the number in the name. So that's it. Tutorial how to make an attendance list in Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.